Okay, moving on to the example about Rufus. Rufus's height is going to be R, and this is not something we want to write. Let R represent Rufus's height. Well, is Rufus a dog? Is Rufus a kitten? Is Rufus a person? Well, we need to be more specific, right? Using some sort of unit of measurement. So we are going to make this more specific and say, let R represent Rufus's, what a name, right? Height in, let's say centimeters. Okay, he's a little guy. Make sense? Period. Whoops. Did I miss my period over here? Yep. Okay. See? Beautiful. I'm hoping this makes sense to you now. I'm going to let you try the next 3 on your own. Don't play the video yet. Try it on your own. You can totally do this, you little smarty pants. And if you get it wrong the first time, who cares? It's totally okay, right? That's how we learn. So let's try it on our own and then press play again when you are ready. Okay, here we go. So basically we're gonna rewrite the same sentence, and I don't think I've said this yet, but like as long as you use a unit that makes sense for what you're measuring, obviously we don't wanna put like, we're measuring Rufus's height with gallons because that's how we measure liquids. So your answers could be different than mine and still be correct. So leave your answers. I'll give you a couple different options you can have here. So let M represent the amount of milk sold in, well, if I go to the grocery store, I will see gallons. You could also have ounces. You could have liters. Okay, all those would be okay to write. And there's a couple more you could too. Let's see. Represent Colleen's time. Well, how do we measure time? We could do seconds, we can do hours, we can do minutes, we can do milliseconds. Anything would work, okay? Okay, now Sean's age. We could say let S represent Sean's age. Okay, so Sean could be a baby, Sean could be an older man. So usually we measure age in months if you're like under a year old, right? Or you can have years and that could still be correct. Okay, so any one of these would work. Sounds good? All right. Next video. Great so far. Keep it going.